Okay, so I'm Leanne, and when I took CIS 112, I thought it was going to be another English class, but it's more than just speaking and writing and talking. So they integrated a service learning into CIS to where you have to volunteer with a nonprofit over the semester and then base your report that you write later on about one of the topics that your nonprofit addresses. For example, I did Glean, Kentucky, and it works on reducing hunger and addressing food waste issues in America. So I wrote my TED topic about, well, how America unintentionally wastes food and what can be done to resolve it. So I guess my favorite part of the course was probably the service learning part because it worked so well. Like, you write a report about it, about your nonprofit's mission or topic or whatever it addresses. You also make a report about it, you present it, and then you write blog posts about it. It all just came together. My favorite part was definitely just being able to volunteer with some of my friends who are in the class, and then like learning a lot about Lexington since I'm not from here, and also getting to help others at the same time. I feel like the biggest challenge is probably, for me, transportation. That's only because Glean, Kentucky goes to various locations, but in general they have a lot of opportunities, so that was great. And also trying to find times for Glean, Kentucky that was in between my schedules and didn't conflict with classes. So, I mean, it wasn't a big challenge. It was just, out of everything that happened in CIS, that was probably the only one that actually became dominant. Until I found some closer ones that were close to campus. So, for future CIS students, I highly recommend that you get your hours early, because I'm pretty sure it's still going to be a service learning course. But if you do pick an organization, volunteer early. Don't wait to the last minute, because 15 hours may seem like a little, but it actually takes some time. So I guess through this class I learned a lot about time management and about the different nonprofits in Lexington, and also about, you know, how hunger and food waste is a problem not only on a global scale and in the United States, but in Lexington by itself. The different perspectives that I learned because of that, and by seeing it in person, actually helped me write my report and made it easier to present my TED Talk. So yeah, that's definitely something I'm going to take. And I think I will be volunteering with Glean afterwards, even after the course is done. So in general, I really like CIS, and I have to thank CIS for introducing me to Glean. Otherwise, I would have never found it. Now I think I found a place where I can volunteer on a regular basis. So good luck, future CIS. It's been real.